doing interior design. I've been doing this for 22 years with Sacksteder Interiors. Love what I do. Love the people that I meet. I'm very fortunate to have so many great people that I work with, but also wonderful clients, wonderful companies as well. Satisfying those clients with making their home feel comfortable for their family or their business, comfortable and inviting for their employees. It's very important to me. When starting a new project, I normally will ask a lot of questions of the client, try to get to know them personally, what their expectations are, what their needs are in their home, what their family's needs are, if they do a lot of entertaining, if they have any animals that they're dealing with in their home that maybe get on their sofa or get on their chairs. Those are important things because that's how they use their home. Not everybody has everything perfect all the time. So you want to make sure that you're a good listener, and I try to be that with my client. So I do encourage my clients to look at those things, and if they see something, pin it or share it with me, because they might be able to see a space that they love, but they don't know how to get all those pieces, which I have access to so many different companies. Very fortunate that we carry anywhere from lower end to higher end pieces, so it really can help a client with all of their needs. Sometimes clients tend to be repetitive in their design. They will keep using the same thing over and over again. I try to get them to see outside of that box and see what the possibilities are, whether it's introducing new colors or pieces of artwork or patterns or wallpaper. I'm always trying to stay on top of the cutting edge of what's happening in design. With working for Sacksteder Interiors, I have the opportunity to go to market in Atlanta. We also go to the furniture market, so I have hands-on experience with all of the buying, all the different vendors. So I'm able to bring those new designs and ideas to my clients and let them know what's coming into the store, what's available, what's trending. All those things are important, and if they don't have access to that on a regular basis, me putting it in front of them and they see all the colors pulled together and all the designs pulled together, then they can get a vision. Most people are very visual, so that's my job, is to be able to help them visualize where their space could be.